Good morning, my dear student. In the last class, we have discussed about first lesson. Today, I am going to start a new chapter. Previous lesson, we studied about in that lesson sleep test and monthly test we have completed already. Today I am going to engage the second lesson. We have to discuss about the second lesson. Already I wrote on the board the lesson name, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. What is mean by how the dog found himself a new master? In lesson, there is some meaning. See, my dear student, how the dog found himself a new master. Dog feel who is the stronger than all. Suppose in committee, in friend circle, we can identify the friends. He is stronger than he, she is stronger than he, she. Like that we can call commonly. Dog also think I want a good master and a new master. That too who is the stronger than all. I want a new master. Dog will feel I want to get a new. I wanted to get a new master. My dear student. Today, before the lesson, we have to discuss about the lesson new words. My dear student, in language, we should understand meaning of the words. Already I wrote on the board new words. One by one we have to discuss. First one, ill-pleased. Already they have given in your textbook also, but I wanted to reach the meanings of to you people. Ill-pleased, not happy, passionate way of saying. It means ill-pleased, not happy, passionate way of saying. A kinsman. Second one is that kinsman, old-fashioned word for a relative. Old-fashioned word for a relative. Fires, violent pretending. Violently pretending. Fires means violent pretending. Take up service with. Fourth one is that take up service with, become the servant of. Fifth one, darted. Darted, it means moved to one place to another place, to move. Darted, it means to move. In your textbook also they have given some other meanings also. Quickly, suddenly. We can say something by the student quickly. You can come soon. Quickly come. Quickly. Like that you can use somewhere else. If you wanted to do a past work, somewhere else we can use quickly. Somebody can use quickly, somebody can use some soon, fast, like that. Same meaning, these all quickly, in the sense suddenly, surprise, like that. Come over you, affected you. Come over you, it means affected you on only. See, my dear student, in your textbook also, they have given some extra meanings also in textbook only. Cliff, a set, a steep high rock, often at the edge of the sea. Heads of the sea. You know what is mean by edge of the, in the corner of the heads in the textbook. My dear student, this is the story belongs to related to animals. Do you know what is the name of the animals? Dog. You know, wild and domesticate animal. Wild and domesticate animal. My dear student, you go through the wild and domesticate animals. For example, domestic animals. See, my dear student, domestic animal, it means always we people are close with them. Domestic animals. For example, domestic animal like a dog, elephant, horse, cow, ox, sheep, rabbit, and some other animals also there. Dog, how the dog found himself a new master. Dog is also one of the domestic animal. See, my dear student, wild animals, you can go through the domestic and the wild animals. Wild animals, it means those animals are staying in a forest. Those animals are staying in a forest, like a tiger, lion, some elephant, and some many animals are there. Wild animals, we can call these are animals wild animals. My dear student, prepare a list of the wild animals and domestic animals. This is your homework. Wild animals and domestic animals. Write domestic animal and wild animal. Okay, my dear student, now we should come to the topic. I feel you may open that reader. How the dog found himself a new master, and finally who will become a new master for dog. We have to discuss the lesson now. How the dog found himself a new master. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in freedom, until dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. See what dog is saying, that dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in a freedom. In a freedomly they lived the hut, and they lived until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. He was sick. Sick, it means not feeling well. Sick animal. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. wandering and about by himself. Dog was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. Looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. Looking for food and eating, dog wanted to eat something, and he was surrounding, he was wandering, he was searching the new master to find out to become a servant. And while wandering and while looking the new master, dog was become a hill and dog was become a sick animal. Because to wandering somewhere else to become and to search the new master, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. Who is stronger than he? He wanted to get a new master to who is stronger than me. Dog is trying to search a new master that who is stronger than he. But dog is wandering and dog was walking on the freedom and he was searching the freedom, searching the new master and food and all. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. My dear student, who is stronger than all? He decided who is stronger than on earth. Dog, how the dog is very clever, my dear student. See, he thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. He wanted to, who is stronger than on earth? That only, that man or whoever animal, whatever animal, I want to make him to become my new master. He thought and the dog decided like that. He walked and he met a kinsman of his big wolf, who was as strong as he was fierce. He walked on the freedom, he walked and he met a kinsman. Dog met a kinsman. Oh, dog was happy because he get a kinsman. Maybe he thought maybe kinsman is stronger than all. That's why he decided to and he became happy. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as stronger as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Where are you going? Kinsman. Dog, wolf. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked to dog. Wolf. Who asked to whom? The dog. The wolf asked to dog. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Who do you like to be my master, wolf? Dog asked, will you become my master? I am looking for someone to take up service with. Who do you like to be my master, wolf? Dog asked to wolf. I didn't see, why not? Wolf said to dog. I didn't see, why not? I will become, definitely, why not? I will become your master, don't worry. Wolf said to dog. I didn't see, why not? The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. Dog and wolf went on together and wandering. Dog will decide what? Dog will decide, after getting wolf also, dog will change his directions. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, snipped, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. And they went deeper in the forest. The dog was much surprised. Why dog becomes surprised, He decided one more stronger than wolf I may get, dog feel I may get stronger than wolf. I may get a servant of the stronger than wolf. Dog was much surprised, my dear student. What will happen while going on the deeply? What's come over you, master? He asked, what is frightened you so? Can't you see there's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me? See, wolf and dog decided both together went on the freedom and deeply, and they both met a bear. They feel dog and wolf decided we are weak then bear may eat both of us. They feel like that how the bear will react in the future, and next class we will discuss briefly what the conversation between dog and wolf, and next master is a bear. How the communication will happen with the bear and dog wolf, we have to discuss in the next class. Thank you, my dear student.